These are the kind of questions that you dream of coming up on your actual exam, aren't they? Short and fairly straightforward. Let's go through this one. Which of the following would not be expected to appear in an organisation's mission statement? A mission statement, I think back to the notes. Oh yeah, that sets out, why does the company exist? Why are we here? So that's the kind of big picture about mission statements. And in fact, mission statements themselves are big picture, aren't they? They're deliberately vague. They don't set out really specific targets. They're deliberately a little bit wide and waffly, so you can then translate it down into short-term goals and that kind of thing. But it's longer-term, vague statement about why we are here as an organization. So let's go through each of the options and see which of them fits the bill and which doesn't, or which don't. So the first one, the organization's values and beliefs. Is that part of why you exist? Absolutely, yes, it is. I would expect to see that in the mission statement. The organization's major stakeholders, the key people that it's there to serve, the wider community, its customers, its shareholders, or whatever else. Often you do see that in a mission statement, so I'm happy to tick that one. The products or services that the organization offers. Yeah, it does talk about that. It does. It sets out what the company does. Why is it here? What does it do? Yes, that's in the mission statement. So the first three I quite like, which means I'm hopeful that the fourth one I don't. Right, quantified short-term targets that the organization seeks to achieve. That's not really the mission statement. There's two things that tell me that. Firstly, about it being quantified. Secondly, that it's short term. Both of those things are much more like the day-to-day or perhaps annual goals of the company. But shorter term, smart objectives that have a number on them, that's not what goes in the mission statement. So the first three are in the mission statement. The fourth one is not. And therefore, the fourth one is the correct answer here.